The Industrial Revolution, transforming society and technology. English story simplified. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, was a period of major industrialization and innovation that drastically transformed society. It started in Britain and spread to other parts of the world. Before this era, most people lived in rural areas and worked in agriculture or small-scale industries. The Industrial Revolution changed that, moving production from homes and small workshops to large factories. One of the key developments was the invention of new machinery. The spinning jenny and the power loom revolutionized the textile industry, making it possible to produce cloth much faster and more efficiently. The steam engine, developed by James Watt, was another crucial invention. It provided a reliable source of power for factories and transportation. As factories grew, so did cities. People moved from the countryside to urban areas in search of work. This migration led to the rapid growth of cities and the development of new ones. Living conditions in these cities were often poor, with overcrowded housing and inadequate sanitation. Despite these challenges, the Industrial Revolution led to increased production and economic growth. Transportation also saw significant advancements. The development of the steam locomotive and the expansion of the railway network made it easier to transport goods and people over long distances. This connectivity helped markets expand and facilitated the movement of raw materials to factories and finished products to consumers. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on society. It led to the rise of a new social class, the industrial working class. These workers often faced harsh conditions, long hours, and low pay. Child labor was also common in factories and mines. Over time, these conditions led to the growth of labor unions and movements advocating for workers' rights and better working conditions. Technological innovations extended beyond textiles and transportation. The Industrial Revolution also saw advancements in metallurgy and the development of new materials. The Bessemer process, for example, made it possible to produce steel more efficiently, leading to its widespread use in construction, machinery, and tools. Education and communication also changed during this period. The printing press became more advanced, making books and newspapers more accessible to the public. This helped spread new ideas and knowledge, contributing to the intellectual and cultural development of society. The Industrial Revolution had environmental impacts as well. The increased use of coal and other fossil fuels led to pollution and environmental degradation. The demand for raw materials also put pressure on natural resources, leading to deforestation and other ecological changes. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a transformative period that reshaped society, economy, and technology. It brought about significant advancements and improvements in various fields, but it also introduced new challenges and problems. Its legacy is still evident today in the modern industrialized world.